Well, hello. Williams, Philippines. Hope everybody's doing good. It is Sunday at 10:44 p.m. I've managed to stay awake until this time. I'm trying to get this to be where it's, well, a little past my bedtime, but, it is what it is. Trying to figure out and get flipped over to being here in the Philippines as opposed to Panhandle of Texas and working nights. Jet lag is still here, but mostly gone. Hopefully by the time I wake up, it'll be over. Don't know if you can see it real well, but yeah, there's a hazard when you go to sleep and it's dark. And then you wake up thinking you're in your normal place of 19 years, and you get up and walk to the bathroom. Now, you guys, you know what I'm talking about here. We will go to the bathroom in the dark, not turn on a light, go in there, do our business, come right back out in the dark, and go back to bed without ever turning a light on. Because we know where we're at. And, yeah. I'm not where I'm known at. This is not a known. And I walked right into the corner of a wall. This corner of the wall, about right there. Needless to say, I rung my bell pretty good. I do not suggest doing that. It causes blood to be oozing out and down your face. Really makes for a way to not wake up right. Life happens. And then I got in there and started cleaning it and got it all cleaned up. And then I had the question of, well, if the water's not good for us to drink, is it good for us to clean wounds with? Yeah. Needless to say, I've had one of those, surprise moments. Went downstairs, got a Band-Aid, because I don't have a first aid kit anymore. Yeah, like 3 of those things, my first aid bag, and most of my stuff went out, and then my 2 little kits went out. Oh, and I left the little first aid package in my, in case of emergency thing in my glove box. Of course, the moment I don't have a first aid kit, I actually need one. Yay, hearing aids. And yes, I have them again because I went and spent that money on my a new hearing aid case, which is a good thing because it does charge them up real good, and that's a good thing. Oh yeah. Oh, and I just got through having dinner. The hot chocolate cost more or as much as my spaghetti and chicken and rice. Yeah, but the damn hot chocolate was a real good one. I wouldn't suggest doing it very often. About $3.90, $2 or 200 pesos, right at about $4, somewhere in that ballpark. And like I said, my dinner was $2.15. Yeah. It's amazing. 2 liters Sprite, or a liter and a half Sprite, 90 pesos, which is about $1.70, somewhere in that ballpark. Not much. Yeah. All I know is It's been a very long day. Didn't get to go to the beach. Kind of had a major, after I got my, this doctored up, I went back to sleep. And apparently getting knocked in the head was what I needed, because that happened right around 2:30. I woke up and it was 11:30. So yeah, nothing like getting sleep when you really need it. I think that was part of my body resetting from jet lag, mostly. So yeah. Had a very interesting day. I've got directions on a couple of apartment complexes. I didn't go swimming because I didn't want to be putting open wound in water that of questionable condition. Let it get to where it's a little more on the more normal side. Yeah. Now here's you something. If somebody had told me that at 62 I would be going out and buying a coin purse, because, well, a coin purse, because around here people actually use coins, a lot of them. And I got tired of digging loose ones out of my pocket trying to count them there, so I actually spent a bit of change on that and got me a coin purse. Very well made leather coin purse. Oh yeah. Got to figure something out in the way of an apartment, though. This place is killing me on my wallet. Don't get me wrong, great hotel. Wasn't planning on spending that much money on this, but it's there to cover it. All I know is I'm dead tired. It's been a very, very long day. Even with it only having been less than, less than 12 hours. If I go to sleep, or if I get this done, posted, and go to sleep by 11:30, it'll have been 12 hours. I need to sleep. Yeah. Anyway, tomorrow I'm going to try to get over to do a couple of apartment complexes, as many as I can, to see what I can find. And start figuring out a different hotel that's more economically viable for my financial. I mean, like I say, I can do this one. I can do it for another couple weeks without killing me. But I don't want to take the chance. I don't like damaging my wallet. It's important to me. So, yeah. I don't know about y'all, but it has been a very long day. I'm William, Williams Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey, you do you. It's between your left ear, your right ear, your heart, head, and God. Figure it out. Because you're the only one that can, with the help of God. A few of you have commented. I noted that there's comments. I haven't got over to read them. I'll try to do that while this is uploading. I've been kind of on the hectic side. It's kind of enjoyable. But then part of me is like, oh dear Lord, there's too many people. Part of me wants to crawl under the bed and hibernate for a week, just to draw some energy back in, because I can tell you I've been expending way more energy than I want to, way more people. But then, that was part of what I came here for. To break a pattern, to work on me, and make me a better person. And being so introverted that it hurts me isn't a good thing. So, jumping out there and being extroverted, kind of, whoa, down the new territory. But hey, I'm actually enjoying it. Only problem is, I ain't got any energy. And tomorrow's another day of go out and hit it again. I actually get an apartment and get it functional. I may disappear for a couple of days. I'm trying to keep up a little bit here. Give me a chance. Starting to get things going. Actually, I'm enjoying it. Having fun here. I'm just very tired. Anyway, you all have a good day and blessings. Like I said, William Williams, Philippines. I'm Fish, and guess what? Fish is out. Later blessings, bye-bye. More food, more friends, more family, and again, more food. Fish out.